Um, well, once you validate, then investigate. This is really important, especially with adults. Um, I get pretty sloppy in my terms. We say feelings, emotions, moods. They're actually a little different. You can have a bad feeling about something, but it's either based on a mood, a kind of background noise, or something that happened, emotion. Like how many times, have you heard someone say, I'm so angry, and you know this person, and they're usually angry. So you don't need to fill in the blank. Just say, I'm so angry, period. That's it. Um, for me, my go-to phrase is, I'm really anxious. I shouldn't say about, I should just say, I'm really anxious, period, because that's how I'm wired. And I know that, and I have to but consciously think about it. So we would say, don't go with your gut feel, go with your analyzed gut. And ask, like, well, all right, well, how would somebody else react? Like, how reasonable is it? Am I accurate? Do I know the other person's intent? I'm thinking that was a really hurtful thing for him to say to me. Well, that's how he interpreted it, but do I know their intent? And I ask myself this all the time. Am I just in a bad mood today? And if I was feeling a little differently, would my interpretation change? Now, the answer isn't always yes. The diagram on the right actually comes from a training session I did years ago with a company. With a company of engineers, aerospace engineers, and they're basically all ex-military, Air Force, and mechanical and electrical and aeronautical engineers. And this is the diagram these people came up with. And they called it signal to noise ratio. There's a sound there, there's a feeling there, but some of it is junk, it's noise, it's mood. Like I had too much caffeine this morning. And some of it's a signal. Because you know what that guy said to me? That was hurtful and that was insulting. And so I am angry. And it's not just me. So validate and then investigate.